Hello guys, in this video we are going to introduce ourselves to Git. So Git needs to know who we are, especially because when we do a commit, it has to identify us. Let's go ahead and open a Git bash. So we can tell Git who we are. There are two properties that we need to set so that Git can properly identify us. One is a name and other is email ID. It might be helpful in this video to picture Git as a physical person. Think about it. When you meet somebody, you gently say your name. When introducing yourself, it's just one extra step for Git. It also wants to know your email ID. But how does he remember though? It has to do with a global scope. If you're not really sure what scope means, it's really just the term for the part of your code that have access to a variable. If something is set to global scope, it means everything has the access to it. So let's go ahead and tell Git who we are by typing this command. Config global user.name. This is setting the Git configuration on a global level, specifically for our username. Within the quotes, you need to type your actual name. When you are satisfied, hit enter. You will notice Git really didn't give you any helpful output to confirm your name is set successfully or not. However, there is a way to make sure the name is set successfully. For that, you need to type git config user.name. Next, we should like the git know what is our email ID. This is going to be very similar to the command we executed before. Instead of name, we are going to be replacing that with email. I should also mention that it is critical that email you set for this global property matches with your email you have signed up for in a Bitbucket account in the later videos. So make sure of that. If you use a different email than your Bitbucket associated with that account, it actually won't track your Bitbucket account for doing actual work. So you need to say git config hyphen global, and here instead of username it will say user email, and you need to give your email ID and hit enter. To confirm, you need to say git config user.email